Hey everybody, it's entertaining expert Mark Addison, author of the Best in the World winning book Cocktail Chameleon. Today I'm going to show you how to make 3 classic cocktails you can make at home just like the pros. For our next cocktail, we're going to be creating a variation on the classic Manhattan called a Vieux Carré. And in French, that means beautiful square. And to serve our beautiful cocktail, we're going to be using a beautiful Christofle Graphix double old fashioned. To mix our Vieux Carré, we're just going to be using a mixing glass. Now, a classic Manhattan proportion is 2 parts whiskey, either rye or bourbon, to 1 part red vermouth. The Vieux Carré introduces cognac, so it'll change to a 1:1:1 ratio. So we'll start by adding ice to our mixing glass. Next, we'll add 1 ounce of cognac, 1 ounce of rye whiskey, and 1 ounce of red vermouth. Now, the secret ingredient in a Vieux Carré is Bénédictine, and this is an herbal liqueur that's made up of many different herbs and spices to give this cocktail a really special zing. So I'm going to be adding a 1 bar spoon, which is about a teaspoon, to our cocktail mixture. But what's also really useful about having a bar spoon is we're going to now use it to stir our drink. Next, we're going to add a couple of dashes of Peychaud's bitter, which is a Creole style bitter. And we're going to add 2 dashes of aromatic bitters. And we're going to give that a good stir. Again, so now what we're doing while we're stirring is we're slowly cooling down the mixture here, so not to impart so much water as we would if we were shaking this cocktail. We're giving it a good stir until you feel the glass is amply chilled. And this cocktail is going to be served on the rocks, so you don't have to keep stirring it until it's completely watered down. You certainly don't want that. So now we're going to present our cocktail in our double old fashioned, and we're going to simply just pour the cocktail in, ice and all. So next, to garnish our cocktail, I'm going to use one of these dagger style cocktail picks, and I'm going to stab not 1, not 2, but 3 of these beautiful home brandied cherries to garnish our cocktail, and simply rest it right across the edge of the glass. And there we have the Vieux Carré, a classic Manhattan style cocktail with a twist. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you picked up a few tips on creating these classic cocktails that you can create easily at home, just like the pros. Cheers.